Welcome to this video on Libra Moon Sign, also known as Tula Rashi in Vedic astrology. Libra Moon individuals are known for their charming, diplomatic, and harmonious personalities. Ruled by Venus, the planet of love, beauty, and relationships, they have a natural grace and an ability to create balance in their lives. One defining trait of Libra Moon people is their love for harmony. They dislike conflict and strive to maintain peace in all aspects of their lives. Their ability to mediate and bring people together makes them excellent diplomats and negotiators. Libra Moon individuals are highly social and value relationships deeply. They thrive in environments where they can interact with others and often seek partnerships that are mutually supportive and fulfilling. However, their desire to please everyone can sometimes make them indecisive or overly dependent on others' opinions. In relationships, Libra Moon people are romantic, affectionate, and loyal. They believe in equality and fairness, often going the extra mile to ensure their partner feels valued. Their charming nature and good looks often attract admirers, but they remain committed to building meaningful connections. Family life for Libra Moon natives is often harmonious and balanced. They value family traditions and work hard to create a nurturing and peaceful home environment. Their mothers often play a significant role in shaping their love for aesthetics and relationships. Physically, Libra Moon individuals often have a pleasing appearance with symmetrical features and a radiant charm. Their sense of style and poise makes them naturally attractive and likable. When faced with challenges, Libra Moon people rely on their calm and balanced approach. They seek solutions that benefit everyone and avoid extremes. Their life motto is, "Balance is the key to happiness." In summary, Libra Moon individuals are charming, diplomatic, and relationship-oriented. Their ability to create harmony and their love for beauty and fairness make them truly special. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more insights on other moon signs.